Step number 9 is refining the swords and the hands. As you can see here, there's a couple of cuts for the guard, and the hands are more rounded. So that's what we will do here. We'll smooth it out. So the little line that we had in the first, to do the guard of the sword, we'll do stop cut on the lines. And then I carve in an angle here towards in. Okay, same thing on the other. And on this side. Really small cuts. And you see it creates the guard. We'll do the same thing on this side. There we go. Okay. For the hand, we have the lines that we had before that we will cut towards, like so. Make a stop cut, and then a stop cut. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Good. Then we'll cut towards it because the hands are inside the sleeve of the jacket or the shirt or whatever the guy is wearing. Okay. Same thing on this side. From here, under, if you're planning to paint, it's easier to make sure that the paint doesn't bleed in other edges. So I add another little stop cut and I remove a little bit of wood. It's under the carving, so it doesn't need to be that detailed. It's just, it helps for the paint later, like I said, to make sure that the paint stay in here. Okay. Good. From there, depending on the wood that you have, I have this little texture because of the bandsaw. So what I want to do now, and also because of the pencil line that we've added, I will just remove a little bit of the wood, little by little, just the top layer. It's not even the middle. Basically just scraping the wood away. Take your time here, because if you're working against the grain, you may pop the wood and remove too much. So just take your time. Sometimes I do a little circular motion. I do it slowly. Okay. And the back of the hand here. Good. So then from there, I will basically smooth the edges of the swords and the hand. There's multiple ways of doing so. What I love to do is just go in an angle against the grain like this, and then it smooths the edge. Do it on this side too. Okay. In the front I do one simple little cut. Okay. That's fine. The swords looks like they're blending with each other, but that's how we roll here. And same thing on this side, pushing with my thumb. Okay. And then here, same thing. Maybe a bit more. Okay. So here it is. I think we could probably remove a little angle here for the hand and the back. Make the hand pop a little bit more outside of the body. Okay, same thing on this side. Good. Let's round the corner on both sides, like so. That is, then we're good to go. So that was step number 9. All right, step number 10, we're working on the face and the helmet. It's the big part.